Hey, what's going on YouTube? Live Breed Tech here, back with another video, and I just wanted to give you another case unboxing. I've been rocking this for quite a while. Very great case, and a plus is that it protects your camera from dust and scratches or whatever. So I really like this case. But for the sake of this video, I'll be showing you another case that I have. It doesn't really have a name. Just says case for smartphone. Protect. Looking on the back, not much there. It does tell you the product, S22, Galaxy S22 Ultra. So I'm going to go ahead and plop this off. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and pull this case out. Now the great thing about this case, it comes with a lot of things in here. This is for the camera protection. I mean, if you want to. I find it, I think I like the other, the S21, how it looked on the back. I mean, this is not bad, but I kind of like the accents, so I might put this on. And then what else do we have? Thanks for your purchase. You have some wipes for the screen. I'm guessing it might come with some screen protectors. Let me go check here. It does come with a cloth, microfiber cloth. And I guess it doesn't. It's awfully strange. I guess it's for the camera itself. So it has a frosting back, which is pretty neat. I got this color so that it blends in with the camera, the phone itself. Let's go ahead and pop this baby in. Fairly simple, and as you can see, the camera cutout is rather good. I'm gonna go ahead and put these things on here so it can, you know, better blend in with the phone. Like I said, frost back. You have your microphone cut out up top. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but volume up and down cutouts, power cutout. Very easy to press down. At the bottom here, you have your S Pen and your speaker, and of course your USB-C charging port at the bottom. And nothing on the side. So let me go ahead and see how this goes on here. Okay. Let me go ahead and let me see if I probably have to put this on first before I put on the case. Okay, so there we have it. Rather simple. There you go, right there. Let me see, get a close-up how it looks. So that was easy to put on. It sticks on, adhesive, and so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on again. There you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and take the microfiber cloth out. There you go. Wipe that down. Hopefully this doesn't interfere with the camera quality, but we'll see that later. So yeah, there goes the video, guys, of my new case unboxing for the S22 Ultra. Again, a lot of goodies in here, including a extra cutout for the camera. Go ahead and place this stuff back. And there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Give this video a thumbs up. More videos to come. Subscribe. Peace out.